Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's know how to prepare the best homemade weight loss drink to lose 7 kg in 7 days without diet and exercise. By drinking this, you will shed those extra kilos, your overall health improves significantly. It brings down the risk of suffering from diabetes, heart disease, osteoarthritis, specific types of cancer and stroke. It improves your blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and brings down your blood pressure. Before we go ahead with this incredible weight loss drink, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Ingredients: 1 cucumber. Cucumber contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. 1 lemon, sliced. Lemons have diuretic properties, which help in detoxifying the body, thereby helping burning fat. 1 medium-sized grapefruit. Grapefruits are a source of nutrients that help support weight loss, including satiating fiber. 1 cup or 250 milliliters of water. Preparation: cut all the ingredients. Add them to a blender, along with water. Blend everything until it becomes smooth. Tips: you can consume these weight loss drinks by keeping it in the fridge for a while. By serving it cold, it kickstarts the metabolic process of your body, which allows you to lose weight faster. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.